Hi, I'm Rahil Jamal, currently doing my Masters in Engineering Management. For my summer, I did my internship in Target. Target is a retailer. It's one of the largest retailers in the US. For my internship at Target, I worked for the supply chain and merchandising team, and within that team, I worked for snacks and candy. My project worked on excess inventory that was caused due to the seasonal spaces where certain items were located in both the locations. So you might find a Nerds Gummy cluster, for that matter, in a candy aisle, but also behind the stores in the seasonal space. So usually, whenever they place the orders, they actually place an excess with a lift, and usually the lifts were really manual, and this led to excess inventory at the end of the season, and they had to sell them through discounts and clearance sales later on after the season. So my role came in where I could optimize this particular inventory that was causing the excess. My day-to-day actually looked very different given the weeks, because in a retail environment, no 2 days are similar is what they say. Usually it started off with an initial touch base meeting with my manager and the entire business unit to align on tasks for that particular week. The next would be getting on vendor calls, sitting on vendor calls to decide if they are aligned with the replenishment strategies that we have given for that particular week, and also a bigger perspective of the future seasons as well. The next would be actually going on and working with a lot of data, pulling a lot of data and actually analyzing them to see if the inventory is going to the right stores at the right time. I also had to manage a project that I was working, which was duly locating items and the excess inventory. So my day-to-day involved working with that as well, and also on a daily basis to look into replenishment strategies, having purchase orders being placed, and sitting in on various vendor calls. To try out something different, to figure out how retail segment works was really interesting to me, and I really learned a lot throughout my internship, and I felt without the MEM it would have been a different experience in Target, and I'm really grateful for the MEM program for helping me secure one and also do really great in the internship.